Today I'm working on this Toyota Corolla. I'm going to be doing the side marker bulb in this video. The side marker bulb comes on when you turn the headlights on to illuminate the side of the vehicle so nobody runs into you from the side. So the bulb is right under here and here, and you can see these two wires. That's the base of the bulb. We're going to disconnect that and pop the new bulb in. So there's the back of the bulb right there. I'm going to twist that counterclockwise as I come in here. Boom. And it pops out. And there's the bulb. So to replace this guy, we just pull straight out. Remember, always use gloves. I'll put a link in the description for this bulb. Sometimes these bulbs are directional, so if you put it in, you might have to come back and flip it the other way if it's not working. So there it is. And then if you look down here, the hole glows orange from the outside. You can also look from this side. Let's see, oh, this one you can't see, but sometimes you can look at the front to align it, but it doesn't work quite on this one. So you'll just have to look down in here and find where this goes into. And I'll show you, there is a little hole right there that glows orange. That's where it lives. So we're going to plug that back in there and turn clockwise. So once I find the hole, you kind of might have to wiggle it around to get it to sit into place. Then turn clockwise facing this way. So clockwise like that to seat the bulb. Then double check it'll work. And that's how you do the side marker bulb on a Corolla.